Hi, I'm Marna, and something exciting happened in my mailbox yesterday. I got not only I got this book from Lissa Cordova. It's called Freedom. She was abused, and she wrote this book about how she got over it. And I'm looking forward to reading it. There are a lot of abused people out there. I happen to be one, as a child or an adult, and it is something you deal with not only from time to time, even many years later, but also in your sleep forever. Anyway, so I'm looking forward to reading this. Her channel name is Doll Joy Lissa. Now she just changed it to that, and she has a good channel. She does a lot of box openings. She has Blythe dolls. Trying to think what else she does. She has 2 adorable Pomeranians, and I love Pomeranian. Hi Marna, hope you enjoy my book. It's dear to my heart, Lissa. And she sent this lovely card. But inside, along with the book, as if that and the bookmark weren't enough, I got happy mail. You want to come in close to see this. I am just delighted. Now, these look like Barbie and or Blythe, and a couple of them look like they'll fit my Sunny Day doll. I'm not sure, but we're going to give it a whirl. Are these adorable? These tights, oh, I just love them. I hope those fit Blythe. Look at this skirt. It's got the stars on it. I love, love, love stars and hearts. I just adore it. This one, oh, how cute is that? I like the necklaces that are attached to the clothing, because then they stay put and look right when the doll gets moved or whatever. But how cute is that? And then this, oh my goodness, this is so cute. Thank you so much, Lissa. What an unexpected surprise. I just can't thank you enough. What a nice little Merry Christmas in my mailbox. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Wait, there's more. This is a hidden giveaway video. And what we're giving away is this adorable Merry Christmas, kind of candy cane looking stand, doll stand. And right now this one is mine, but it's set up for a Blythe. You'll get a longer stick with it, and you can cut it to the small, it's of course small doll that you'll be using it for. And I've used this for quite a few of the smaller dolls. They are not just for Blythe, but they're really cute for Blythe. And don't forget, you can get Lissa Cordova's book on Amazon. And we're going to put a link below to her channel. Lissa's new channel name is Doll Joy Lissa, and we'll have a link for that below. Thank you for watching.